I'm Jade and I'm here with my... Don't laugh. I usually do this more than once. Hi, I'm Jade and today I'm here with my boyfriend Keean and we are going to Ikea.
I'm really excited about looking at well-designed Swedish furniture.
Because we've never been to Ikea before.
I've never been to Ikea before.
Okay, bye.
I'm like a budgie.
Yeah, driving.
Yes, we have stopped for sustenance and caffeine, all important caffeine. This coffee is as large as your head. In order to carry IKEA Swedishness, we have entrusted Gerardo and Mariana, who have a large van that we are following, kind of, because Gerardo goes quickly. There it is!
There it is!
We have arrived at the IKEA.
Yay! I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited.
Got my little thing, and my little thing. IKEA.
They're in Ikea.
We've made it into the IKEA. Give me your first impression.
The outside looks like Lego and the inside seems quite large.
I don't like being in the real world. This is one of the things that I'm thinking about now. All of the books are in Swedish. There seems to be a lot of photos of this injured child. It's just Kira-sized.
Say goodbye to chaos in your kitchen. Why? Because of the shelves?
Are you looking for one that's just right?
This one's too big.
Better?
Let's try. You can't actually fall asleep.
I can. Aww. We made it to the restaurant. We now have a bear. We seem to have found the warehouse from the end of Raiders of the Lost Ark, and it's full of IKEA furniture.
Hot dogs.
Apparently for $1 you can purchase the world's largest hot dog. Some assembly required. So we thought we were done.
Turns out no.
And then we went downstairs. There's all kinds of bathroom things. We named him.
Frederick.
Now we're trying to find things.
Got it.
It's like giant Jenga. I'm exhausted. We went through the checkout thing and now we're up to the loading into the cart thing, and then I'm ready for the fall down thing. Impressions?
I like it. It's very large. You can buy lots of things here.
It was huge. I'm exhausted. It was, and the treasure map aspect of the collecting of items.
That was fun.
Highly recommend.
I like that.
How do you normally end your videos?
Bye.